Hey everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura, and today I'm going to give you a quick room tour of the All-Star Music Resort. This is our first time staying here. We booked this at I think noon that day and arrived around midnight. So it was very late when we got there. This is a value resort and our room was located in the Rock In section, so kind of 50s guitar and far away. I was able to use my phone to get in, and a really nice room. Like I said, it's my first time staying at the All Stars with my daughter. We've stayed at Pop together a few times. We were on a solo trip this trip, so struggling to get everything in. Everything seemed very familiar to us. It's the same layout as Pop Century. It is a very small room and they squeeze so much storage out of this. You have, as soon as you walk in, the Cuisinart with a drawer underneath, and you have Joffrey's coffee, tea, sweetener, and those little creamers and coffee mugs, disposable. A little mini fridge as well, which comes in handy. And there is no outside room, but you do have a window overlooking the walkway. You will see in Disney Value Resorts that they often decorate windows, which is really adorable. And housekeeping here at the Value Resorts is still every other day. There is a pull-down second bed and then also a table, so it makes the room feel a lot more spacious, and the bed is actually very comfortable. Over the main bed, you have that adorable art piece. It's so fun. I love it so much. And it's very kind of contemporary and modern. I love these hooks for my lounge flies, and then it rains in Disney a lot, so you can hang up your raincoats to dry. They give you a ton of extra pillows, so you can use those for the pull-down bed when needed. There is a safe here, some more extra pillows, the Holy Bible, of course, and you only have 3 drawers. So one of my big recommendations, especially in a value resort, or if you ever do a Disney cruise, you have the same issue, is to bring packing cubes because you can kind of slide them on the shelves. There are so many shelves in the value resorts and Pop. So there is a sliding door that shuts this bathroom off, and it really is so dark in there, so you can get ready in the morning, let the kids sleep, and there's no noise whatsoever. Into the bathroom, there is a nice lit up mirror. I love the little magnifying mirror, an iron, and a blow dryer. I think moderates and deluxes now have steamers, which is nice instead of the big ironing board. Some hangers, and again, lots of shelves for packing cubes. They have a really nice sliding door and a tub with the H2O products. Now, I know they're getting rid of these, so this was in early September of 2023. Lots of towels, and then there is another pocket door that closes off the toilet with a full-length mirror so you can check yourself in the morning. And I really like that green color. I thought it was really nice. I was kind of surprised there wasn't a lot of nods to music in this room. So it's very kind of generic. It looks just like Pop. So this is the pull-down bed. So it's really cool how the table kind of folds in on itself. And then it has this adorable art over the bed. But unfortunately, our light was out. And yeah, this is the room tour. We really like it. We got it for $117 as an annual pass holder discount. We're about to leave, and just some overall thoughts on the All-Star Music. I'll do a total pros and cons video, but like this was very dusty, and the shelves in the bathroom as well on the first day. And then they did an amazing job cleaning, but apparently like the head of housekeeping came because I left my ring in here. So I called them, and she's like, I will sit in there while she cleans it. So it was very clean, but a little disappointed because we were about to leave today and she knocked on the door, and I was like, oh, we're leaving in 10 minutes. She's like, do you need anything? I was like, yeah, could you just wait 10 minutes? We're about to leave. We would like it cleaned. And 6 hours later, and it's not clean. So that's a little disappointing. But otherwise, I think it's a great value. Enjoyed staying here. You know, the bus is amazingly, we never had trouble with the bus ever. It was there within like 5 minutes. which usually doesn't happen at value resorts. So this was the room tour at All Star. It was room number 3442 in the whatever the rock and roll section is. We had a great stay and would stay here again. We'd probably prefer pop if it's available and not much more, but this is an amazing value for what you get. So this is what happens when you skip maid service, lots of trash and lots of towels. But you were a great room. We had a great time. Actually, the manager who came in and sat with my ring actually called me yesterday and said, I can send in an evening cleaning lady if you want, which was so nice. But I was like, no, we got towels. Everything's good. So we're off to catch the bus. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.